Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start now, plug in power and back up critical files so nothing gets lost. Next, download the official OS ISO and confirm its size or checksum to avoid corrupted installs. Once done, make a bootable USB with an 8 GB or larger drive using Rufus or Baelna Etcher. Select GPT for UEFI systems or MBR for older BIOS. This first actionable step prepares your laptop to boot the installer immediately. Do not skip verification because it prevents wasted time later. Now you boot from the USB. Restart, enter BIOS or UEFI using F2, ESC, or F12 and set USB first. Once the installer loads, choose Install Now and decide partitioning. Automatic if you want speed, manual if you need dual boot or custom partitions. Make sure to create your user account with a secure password. Enabling disk encryption is recommended for privacy. As you proceed, drivers and core packages will install. Stay patient because this middle phase writes system files and configures hardware. Finish by installing all system updates and device drivers so hardware works reliably. Once done, restore your backed up files, set up automated backups, and install essential apps plus security tools. Make sure settings like display scaling and power plans match your workflow. If you encounter a boot failure after reboot, first recheck BIOS boot order, then use the installer's recovery or safe mode tools to repair the bootloader. That single troubleshooting tip fixes the most common post-install hiccup, so try it before more complex fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.